The PS5 recently received a patch on March 29, 2023 that came with a fix for an issue with the game library where the content was displayed incorrectly. But after the update, some PS5 gamers are seeing a rebuilding database message on their consoles. This message appears on the very first time you restart your console after the update. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. This process is usually designed to fix any corrupted data which can cause issues with the game's stability and performance. But this incident has raised some concerns among PS5 gamers, with many wondering whether their console is vulnerable to data loss or damage. Well, fortunately, there's nothing to worry about. The reason you saw the rebuilding database message could be due to the fact you were affected by the game library bug that was actually fixed in this update. Once the rebuilding database process is finished, you can go back to playing your favorite game without any issues. We'll update our article about this matter as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.